Hello all. Today's topic is secure interbranch payment transactions case study, and the name it is secure electronic transaction in CNS. Special case is secure interbranch payment transactions. This one is an application layer security mechanism consisting of a set of protocols for protect credit card transaction on the internet. Companies involved here are MasterCard, Visa, IBM, and so on. Not an ordinary payment system. It has a complex technical specification. Main business requirements for this set are provide confidentiality, integrity, authentication. Right, so these three are main security requirements and security services provided by the set. Right, provide confidentiality of payment and ordering information. Next one is ensure the integrity of all transmitted data. Next one, provide authentication that a card holder is a ultimate use of a credit card account. Next, provide authentication that a merchant can accept credit card transactions through its relationship with a financial institution. And continuation of the business requirements, ensure the use of the best secure practices and system design techniques to protect all legitimate parties in an electronic commerce transaction. Next one is create a protocol that neither depends on transport security mechanisms nor prevents their use, and facilitate and encourage interoperability among a software and network providers. Next, secure electronic transaction protocol providing these requirements: confidentiality, trust, privacy. This is confidentiality. All messages are encrypted. Confidentiality provided through the encryption mechanisms. Next, trust. All parties must have digital certificates. Through the digital signature mechanism, this requirement is provided. Next one is privacy. Information made available only when and where necessary. Next, this is developed by Visa and MasterCard. Designed to protect credit card transactions. So steps are in what way this credit card transaction will be executed in the set, and what are the parties involved in this set mechanism. Cardholder, through the internet, the transactions can be done from the cardholder to the merchant through internet, and again merchant is contacted with the acquirer, certificate authority, and issuer. Acquirer and issuer are main parts of this secure electronic transaction. First steps or way of execution in this set mechanism. The customer sends order and payment information to the merchant in step 1. Next, the merchant requests the payment authorization from the payment gateway prior to shipment. The merchant, after the confirmation is coming from the payment gateway, merchant confirms order to the customer. Next one, the merchant, afterwards the merchant requests payment from the payment gateway. Right. So next, these are the parties involved in the set. Right. Way of execution and steps in the set transactions. First step, customer browses and decides to purchase something. Right, first step or first request message is transmitting from customer to the merchant, and set sends order and payment information to the customer. Right, next, merchant is taking the confirmation from the some internet gateways and from the issuers, from the issuers. So that's why here confirmation messages are transmitted from merchant to the internet gateway. Here the examples are real-time example. Here gateway is merchant's bank and customer's bank. Okay, so third step is merchant forwards payment information to bank. Right, from the merchant bank to the customer bank, bank checks with issuer for payment authorization. For the authorization purpose, merchant bank sending the request message to the customer's bank, and customer's bank or issuer sending the response message from the issuer to the merchant bank. Issuer authorizes payment or authorization details of the customer sending from the customer bank to merchant bank. So bank authorizes payment information is transmitted from the merchant bank to the merchant, and merchant completes the order of the customer or particular customer. So after, merchant captures the transaction. Alright, so afterwards, issuer after completion of the process, customer's bank or issuer transmitting the bill to the customer. Issuer sends credit card bill to customer. Key technologies of a set. What are the encryption or some key type of technologies or encryption mechanisms used in this setter? Confidentiality of information through the encryption mechanism. Integrity of data is provided using the Reiversheimer-Edelman digital signatures with SHA-1. And next one is cardholder account authentication is provided through the X.509 version 3 digital certificates with RSA signatures. Next, merchant authentication also provided using the same certificate procedure, same certificate authority. Last one is privacy. Separation of order and payment information is using dual digital signature mechanisms or DSS digital signature mechanisms. This is the review of the secure electronic transaction.